Hello, this is Germán again, another Just My Review, and well, as you guys can see, I got my brother GTXPro running today, almost after a week of being off. Let me tell you something, guys. These nozzles are working super good. I've got no missing dots anywhere in here, and I'm gonna show you guys some tips in order to keep that running smoothly. Also, I'm gonna show you guys where you guys can find this nice film in order to check the whites, and of course the regular white paper to check the colors. Guys, also I got a nice project right here, and I'm using this GTF sheet in order to do this nice project. All right guys, well, stay tuned. Let's go and see how this guy is working. Alright guys, well, let's go and do the maintenance on this guy right here. First of all, press maintenance right here, and we're gonna press error and warning parts. Now let me tell you something. You guys can do individually, or you guys can do error and warning parts. Error usually show up after a few days, let's say less than a week, and you guys didn't touch the machine at all. You guys will see, even with the screen off, this light on, and the reason why is because it's asking you to shake those two whites right there. But I'm gonna tell you something, and this is from brother: do not touch those colors if you're not planning to use the machine for 7 days, or basically a week. If you're not using the machine for the following week, do not touch those, even if you got this light. At the 7th day, then you have to pull it out, each of these guys, and shake it. Just turn it on this guy right here, follow the directions. The screen is gonna tell you to shake each color. Well, not the colors, just the whites. Pull out the whites, shake it 100 times, put it back on, and follow the directions on this screen. Now, this is the other catch you guys have. Some of you guys got scared because see the error light right here, and every time you guys see it, you guys got curious and press the button and see the error, and it's asking you to shake the color. You guys pull that even if you guys not using the machine for the day, and some of you guys do it daily. I hear some guys pulling these whites daily to shake it out in order to keep it fresh and no problems with the nozzles, and that's where the problem comes. If you guys do that daily, well, you guys gonna have a lot of waste on that container, and you guys wasting basically ink all over the place. But if you don't touch it, basically the machine is just drop a little bit in order to keep these heads fresh. And I'm telling you guys, let me show you right here. This is from after a week. Let me show you right here. Basically, I just using the same sheet in order to save money. And this is from today. You guys can see it right here. Let me see. Today is 29, the 6/29, and you can see this no dots missing right here at all, and I didn't have anyone. And right here with the whites, I got the same thing. Look at those beautiful whites. You guys can see it right there, and this is the sheet I'm talking about. Look at those whites. The lines are perfect and everything is beautiful. And this sheet is a special sheet you guys can buy in Amazon. I'm gonna put the links down below, and well, you guys can use this paper a few times. You guys can use it right there, then you guys put it this way, and then if you guys know how to line it up this, you guys can use it this way too. You know, you guys gotta use a tape, and the only thing you don't have to have is some areas that can trigger the laser in order to stop it, right? Don't do that. Just put some tapes and make sure everything is flat. But you guys can use these guys a few times. Even after this thing dries, you guys can use it this way, and you guys can save money doing that. Remember, in this business, everything counts, and that's the thing. Now, one more thing, and this is another tip I'm gonna give you guys. Probably some of you guys know it, some of you not. And the thing is, every time you guys go to maintenance, remember you guys have 15 minutes. I don't know if you guys know it or not. You guys have 15 minutes, and I'm telling you guys, and this is directly from the technical support of brother, you guys must to use 15 minutes. And That's why I got my chronometer right here, and I'm gonna use it as soon as I start cleaning this. In order to protect the machine, brother give you this time of 15 minutes, and you guys gotta follow that. The reason why I'm telling you this is because basically the machine is connected through the network. You know, I got a cable right here in order to receive basically the files from here to my computer, and in order to receive that, basically also my machine is connected to the internet, and basically is sending all the information of this guy right here to brother headquarters. And guess what? If you pass those 15 minutes, well, they will know, and if something got wrong with your heads, you can get screwed up. And the reason why they have this 15 minutes, because they know after those 15 minutes, those nozzles can get dry and you guys can have some errors, or you guys can damage some components of the machine. That's why they ask you if you are going to pass, and let's say you are cleaning just the heads and something happened and you forgot something and takes time and you didn't clean the wipers or something like that in the machine, and you say, oh my god, it's 15 minutes, what I'm gonna do right now? Well, simple, just close, leave everything the way it is, and just keep everything away from the working area. Close the lid, and the machine will turn on. Let it follow the procedure, and then just do another maintenance. And after that maintenance, then you're gonna have time to clean up everything else, everything you got missing from the first part. And that's the best way in order to keep this guy running smoothly. You know, another tip I'm gonna give you guys is make sure, if you guys gonna use ink, make sure you guys use brother. Don't mess it up. And I'm telling you this as a YouTuber, I'm following a lot of websites where guys do ask questions and do reviews about these machines, and I see a lot of guys having troubles, having real bad situations with the ink. And when we find out what kind of ink these guys use, they are using aftermarket ink. And I'm telling you guys can probably save money at the very beginning, but in the long way, you guys gonna screw up those heads. And you know, this machine is made to work with this ink. Some guys probably say, oh, but it's too expensive, I don't like, you know, I can use a different brand of ink, it's cheaper. Well, that's the thing, you know, if you get a cheaper ink brand, you're gonna screw up. And I'm telling you, because that happened to me in the past, not with this printer. I have also a brother printer, and I remember I used this Amazon ink in the past for my house printer, and I'm telling you, the colors are very bad, dual colors. I get the nozzles get messed up. And thanks God, as soon as I removed those cartridges and I put the original ones, and I do deep cleaning, my brother printer from home get back to normal. And I'm telling you, I was lucky. Thanks God, the machine is working fine. And you know, it's an experience. You know, you pay cheaper, but you getting screwed up at the long way. You're gonna get screwed up really bad. If you get like quality, like the stuff I'm getting right here, look at this beautiful letters right here in this. Look at how this t-shirt is black, and look at this combination with this black with the accent right here. And I'm getting this picture for the pastor of my church, and it's beautiful. I love it. And the quality, the texture and everything. Well, you know, it's better work with the own equipment. Now guys, well, that was some tips I have for you guys today. I hope you guys like it. If you guys got any questions, ask me. Guys, listen, I'm going to a training at Tennessee, and I'm going to Brother International Corporation headquarters, and I'm gonna be trained to work with these machines. It's different training. It's not just only one. This is basically the first training I'm getting, and I hope to get multiple different trainings. And guys, I'm gonna give you things I learned from them. And if you guys got any questions for me before I go down there, I'm going in August, make sure to put those questions right there, guys. Probably you don't have an answer from I don't know who's your distributor, but in my case, basically my machine is set up directly with Brother, and I'm telling you, it's directly with Brother. I'm not doing nothing through any other distributors. I'm working directly with Brother. And any questions you guys may have, please be clear, let me know, and I'm gonna check those questions with the supervisor of maintenance that I'm going to see. And those 2 days I'm going to be on Tennessee, and just let me know if you got any doubts, any ideas, something probably you guys find out to improve the machine, or any other thing you guys have in your head. All right, guys, well, that's it for today. Let me finish right here, and well, see you guys in another Just My Review. Stay tuned, because I'm gonna show you a little more things about this beauty. And I'm telling you guys, I'm in love with this machine. And well, see you guys later. God bless you all. Subscribe, thumbs up, and please share this video. Bye bye, guys.